Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools with Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools with Microsoft Teams, begin by launching the Teams application on your device. Log in using your organizational account to access all available features. Navigate to the App section on the left sidebar. In the App section, search for AI tools relevant to your needs, such as chatbots or automated scheduling assistants. Select the desired AI tool and click on the Install button to add it to your Teams environment. Once installed, locate the new AI tool under the Apps tab or within the Teams channel you want to use it in. Click on the AI tool to open it and follow any prompts to configure its settings according to your preferences. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and features of the AI tool to maximize its effectiveness. Integrate the AI tool with your existing workflows by setting up automate processes or using built-in templates. Invite team members to collaborate and share insights on how to use the AI tool effectively. Utilize the AI tool during meetings to assist with tasks such as note-taking or data analysis. Monitor the performance of the AI tool regularly to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Adjust settings and workflows based on team feedback to enhance the overall experience. Leverage Microsoft Teams' built-in analytics to track usage and outcomes related to the AI tool. Regularly explore new AI tools in the Teams app section to stay updated on enhancements. Engage with Microsoft Teams community forums and resources for additional tips and best practices. By following these steps, you can successfully optimize AI tools within Microsoft Teams to improve productivity and collaboration in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.